I think maybe today we'll take a little break from the book reading, since that's probably a little bit boring to most of you, and go for a little snowmobile ride. I'm gonna try and use this gimbal, try and hold it in my hand and see how it works. But here's the sleds. They're all older, because I'm a poor man. It says a 99 9500. That is a 97 Yamaha VMAX XT 600. Rebuilt the motor and that completely, top and bottom. And then this one here was the first one I got. All I did was clean the carbs on this one when I got it. It's been a real good sled. This is Amber's sled. I believe it's a 98 MXZ 440 fan. Good little sled. Not the fastest, but good little sled. And the reason I'm going to take this sled is because of the skis. It's got dual runner skis on it that I put on there. So it's real easy to steer. Now I gotta get these unstuck. And there goes my helmet. It's not the first, not the last time it's gonna hit the deck. And the back end. Oh, shoot, that one hurt. I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna take a few pulls. Let's see. Alright, 32 degrees today, so it's going to be perfect. I'm going to try and hold this thing with my hand and see what happens. Then I'll just put some music to it, throw in some speed if need be. We'll go for a little ride across the lake where we can find some snow.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run.
My arm's getting tired.
And let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to, if you want me to. 'Cause we can run, and we can run. The stars they fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
Out for a ride, huh?
Yeah, I figured I'd go up for a little ride. Pretty tough holding this thing. My arm gets pretty tired.
I don't understand why. I never used to see that foam before. I don't understand that.
I put it in there because that old stuff. I know it's ugly. I need to get some different foam. But it's to keep snow just from getting sucked in the carburetor. And the old one deteriorated
Can
so
we
bad.
take and paint it black here or something?
Yeah,
Match it up a
I
little
suppose I probably could.
bit? Something.
Or maybe get some, since I need to get some of that pantyhose for this Polaris one anyways, because the same thing happened. Maybe I could just put pantyhose around it and wrap it real nice so it's dark colored.
Yeah.
I don't know, figure something out. Alright guys, so there we go. You've never been snowmobiling, there you go. Got to go on a little slow ride. But they are a lot more fun with a lot more snow and go a lot faster than I went with them. So I hope you enjoyed watching this little video and talk to you later. Peace.